We all have different backgrounds before we started playing foot golf. Some of us were strikers, goalies, or even football kickers. But this time I traveled to West Palm Beach in Florida to play around with Alex Hood, an ex-professional skimboarder who fell in love with foot golf.
So it's a blessing that I found this sport. I really love it with all my heart, and skimboarding is good and all, you know, I love that too, but it's just, I'm the old vet in that, and I know I can kick solid for another 10 to 15 years, and skimboarding it's a young man sport. Good shot! Woo!
Right,
Yeah, I love it.
So listen, how many times you play a week?
3 to 5 practice. It makes perfect, you know? That's what they say. It really does help a lot.
No doubt about that. But before we finished playing, after I tee off in hole 18, my ball went into the water. And trust me, you won't believe what happened next.
It's your ball.
This is friendship.
That's the rule. You gotta get your ball if it goes in water, but this is my friend.
Thank you, Alex, a true foot golfer.